Well, and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we are going to talk about a constructor method in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So the constructor is a special method for creating initializing an object created with a class, and you can also have only one constructor method in a class. If you had more than one constructor method in the class, the syntax error is going to be thrown. So for this, what we are going to do first, let's create a class, name your class, and that's it. This is the empty class that we have created. We have nothing inside this class. So now what we are going to do, first we are going to create a constructor. So, and after that I'm going to pass the parameter. So parameter is going to be name, comma, and last name. So this is the constructor that we have created, and as I mentioned before, the constructor method is used for creating and initializing the object created with a class. So after that we are going to use this keyword, and this keyword will allow access to its properties method within the method scope. And for this, this keyword is going to be allow us to access to the parameter of the constructor from outside the class. And here we're going to say this name is equal to name, and this dot last name is equal to last name. That's it. So here we have created a constructor with the two parameters, and we want to access these parameters outside the class. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another function or method. So this one will be display, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just, and inside this open and closing curly braces, I'm going to use the template text, and here I'm going to pass the message. So the person name is here I'm going to use the placeholder, so this dot name, and here I'm going to say, and the last name is, again I'm going to use the placeholder, and this dot last name. Alright, so that's it for our display method. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create the object of this human class. So person1 is equal to new. Remember that the constructor will call automatically when we create an object by using this new keyword. So we are going to say new human, and here inside, and here we are going to pass the data for this person1 variable. So for person1 so here we're going to pass the data for our person1 object. So person1 has the name, so the name is Ellen, and the last name is Musk. That's it. Now we are going to print this. We want to print this, so the person1 dot display, and that's it. Now we are going to save this. Let's run the, let's right click, come to the inspect, and come to the console, and here you can see person1 name is Ellen and the last name is Musk. So now let me minimize this. So I want to use this both here. Alright, so that's it. Hope you understand until this point. You can also create a multiple object. So let's create another one. Const person2 is equal to new human, and this one will be Noor, Rohani. That's it. And now for displaying the second person data, we are going to say person2 here. Now let's save this. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see the person name is Noor and the last name is Rohani. So this is the use of the constructor. You can create a multiple object class. So now let's jump over to the another example, and now here I'm going to create another class. So class name will be a products, and here I'm going to create a constructor. So the constructor will hold two parameters. The first one will be name, and the second one is going to be price of the product. So this dot name is equal to name, and this dot price is equal to price. Alright, so outside this constructor method, we are going to create another display method, and this display method will print text for us, and here it will take the place the template text. So the product is, here we're going to use the placeholder here as well. The product is going to be the this dot name, and also let me create another console log, and price is going to be, I'm going to use two dollar sign, because one is for a placeholder and the another one is for displaying the dollar sign on the screen. So this dot price, I'm going to save this. Now let's create an object. So const product1 is equal to new products. So the product1 is going to be t-shirt, and the price is going to be 19.98, for example, dollars. And here what we are going to do, we are going to display the product1 dot display. Alright, so now let's save this. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see the product is t-shirt and the price is $19.98. And also you can create a multiple object for this. Now let's print product2, and instead of t-shirt we have pants, and the price is going to be 50.43, for example, dollars. And here we're going to save product2. Save this, refresh the page. Here you can see product2 pants and price is this. And also you can create another object. So this one is going to be product3, and product name is going to be, let's say, underwear, and price is going to be $20. And here we're going to save product3. Save this. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see product name is product is underwear, and price is $20. So that's it. Hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you don't subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel for receiving the notification of the latest update.